Greetings, neighbors. It's me, Crazy Dave. Are you tired of regular dirt? Do you want to take your garden defense to a whole new dimension? Well, grab your tacos, because today I am showing you exactly how to install Plants vs. Zombies mods into Garry's mod. We are bringing the lawn to the sandbox. Let's get crazy. All right, first things first. You just installed Garry's mod. It's empty. It's sad. It has 0 pea shooters. Unacceptable. We need to go to Steam and click on the Workshop tab. But wait, before you start planting, you need the dirt. You must install your very first mod, the DRG base. This is the engine, neighbors. It makes all the other mods work. If you don't install DRG base, nothing is gonna work, and the zombies will just laugh at you. Click subscribe. Now let's get some greenery. Go to the search bar and type plants. Now pay attention. Look at the right side of your screen. You see that little box that says NPC? Check it. We need living, breathing, zombie-smashing NPCs, not just statues. And always sort by popularity, so you get the good stuff. Found one you like? Great! Hit download. But look out. Sometimes these mods need extra fertilizer. If there's a pop-up saying it requires other add-ons, you download those too. No half measures in gardening. Okay, we have the plants, but where are we gonna put them? We need a lawn. Go back to that right menu, uncheck NPC, and check Maps. Sort by popularity again. Find a beautiful Plants vs. Zombies map and download it. Now a little secret from Crazy Dave. Sometimes you search for skins or player models. You think, oh, that's just a costume for me. Wrong. Well, right, but also wrong. Download them anyway, because a lot of times these skin packs come with extra fully playable NPCs hidden inside. It's like finding a bonus taco in your glove box. We want all the friends we can get. And finally, we need the bad guys. Search for zombies. But wait, you must type zombies PVZ'd. If you just type zombies, you'll get regular, boring, scary zombies. We want the ones with cones on their heads. Find them, download them, and we are done with the workshop. Time to play! Boot up Garry's mod. Click on add-ons on the main menu. Look at that! Look at all that beautiful, organized chaos we just downloaded. Everything is ready. Click Start New Game. Pick that beautiful PVZ map we found and load it up. Ah, smell that virtual grass. Notice anything familiar? 5 lanes, just like home. But walking is for zombies. Press the V key on your keyboard so you can fly around the map like a majestic garlic drone. Total freedom. Now, this is the most important part. Open your spawn menu, go to the top right, click on NPCs, and find the setting called Disable Thinking. Uncheck that box. If they can't think, they can't fight. We need them angry and hungry. Because we are on this classic 5-lane map, we are going to use the 2D characters. They just fit better here. I'm spawning some zombies on the right, and some pea shooters on the left. And action! Look at them go. It's a real battlefield. But wait, things are too quiet. Let's bring out the big guy. Dr. Zomboss. Boom! Watch this. He's a special unit. He actually spawns his own zombie minions automatically. All you have to do is run around placing plants to stop his army. It's literally Plants vs. Zombies inside Garry's mod. And if you get bored of the lanes, we have those 3D models we downloaded. Look at these guys. You can spawn them anywhere. You can run around with them. You can shoot them with your Garry's mod weapons. You can do whatever you want. Total sandbox madness. And that is how you do it, neighbors. Your Garry's mod is now 100% certified crazy. If this video helped you protect your brains, hit that like button, subscribe for more tactical madness, and I will see you in the garden. Now, if you'll excuse me, I left a taco in my time machine.